Okay, guys, sometimes when you decide to live your life up to the fullest, that's what you get. That is what we just did. We did the front of the house. This is what we did. We did the front. We're still gonna finish up and do the rest. You see on top there, we just did you see on top, you see there where you see this black thing there, I'm going to remove it and put such a nice tiles. And as you can see here, we have just done some updates on the on top there. So we've just changed and did everything just to make sure it looks nice, right? But as time goes, I'm going to put everything, even including here, we are going to make sure we put everything so it can blend nicely, right? So at times it's not easy. Some of us, you see yourselves, you think, I'm suffering, I'm struggling. That's what I always tell people. When I met my woman, my wife, we had nothing. Guys, we had nothing. Nothing. Right? We had no house at all. At all. Nothing. But what happened is that we decided to persevere together. We stayed and we said, we're going to be together. This is what we are going to do. And we stayed and we decided to be strong together in order for us to do what? To fight. We told ourselves we are going to be together to make sure that we support each other to get everything set and sorted, right? Life wasn't easy, but as time goes, I remember we struggled, guys. That's what you get when you persevere together with your partner. Whether you suffer or not, it doesn't matter. One day, God will bless you. Don't judge a man. Don't judge